Ever wanted to make your own delicious pastries at home? Well, the secret to a great pastry lies in the crust. Today we're unveiling the magic behind 4 easy pastry recipes for beginners. These are stirred pastry, no-roll pastry, hot water pastry, and galette pastry. Each one has its unique flair and is perfect for pies and other tasty delights. First up, stirred pastry. Sift 2 cups of pastry or all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons each of salt and sugar, into a bowl. Next, combine half a cup of salad oil and 1/4 cup of milk. Then pour this mixture over the flour. Stir until no dry flour shows. Shape the dough into balls and roll out between sheets of wax paper. Then just peel off the paper and ease the crust into a pie tin. If you're making a pastry shell, remember to prick the crust all over with a fork before baking at 425 degrees for about 12 minutes. Moving on to no-roll pastry. In a 9-inch pie pan, sift 1½ cups of pastry or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of sugar. Combine half a cup of vegetable cooking oil with 2 tablespoons of milk and pour this over the flour. Mix until no dry flour shows. Press the dough into the pan with your fingers. If you're making a shell, prick it all over with a fork and bake for 15 minutes at 425 degrees. Next is the hot water pastry. This method is quick, easy, and yields a crisp, tender crust. In a bowl, combine half a cup of shortening and 1/4 cup of water. Stir until the shortening melts. Add 1½ cups of sifted pastry or cake flour, 1/4 teaspoon each, of salt and baking powder. Stir until well blended. Pat the dough into a ball, wrap it up, and chill before rolling out. Lastly, the galette pastry. This one is sweeter and richer, perfect for open fruit pies. Sift 1 cup of pastry or all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar into a bowl. Add 6 tablespoons of butter, then beat together an egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice or rum. Mix until you have even pea-sized bits. Pat the dough together and chill before rolling out. And there you have it, 4 easy pastry recipes to get you started on your baking journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. So roll up those sleeves and start creating delicious pastries right in your own kitchen. Happy baking!